Our atmosphere has evolved since Earth's creation. Scientists that studied the early atmosphere found that it was very similar to the Venus's atmosphere. When Earth formed 4.6 billions of years ago, it had almost no atmosphere. The surface was molten. Helium and hydrogen escaped Earth's gravity and drifted into space. So, at the beginning, there was no atmosphere. As Earth cooled, an atmosphere formed, mainly from gases spilled from volcanoes. It had 200 times as much carbon dioxide as today's atmosphere. It also had water vapor, methane, and ammonia. This original mixture of gases began a gradual alteration to its present composition, mainly of nitrogen and oxygen gas. This change in the atmosphere composition was brought by number one, the dissolution of carbon dioxide in seawater, which then formed carbonic acid and then combined in the crustal rocks. So the carbon dioxide that had been in the atmosphere eventually diffused into the water, made an acid, and then combined to make crustal rocks in the bottom of the oceans. Number two, the chemical breakup of water vapor by sunlight, and all the water vapor basically evaporated. And number three, the evolution of photosynthetic organisms, which started to introduce a new gas into the atmosphere, oxygen, via photosynthesis. Oxygen reduced the amount of photosynthesis reduced the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It also reduced the amount of methane in the atmosphere. Adding oxygen to the atmosphere via photosynthesis is referred to as the oxygen revolution. So, three main processes that has changed the composition of the atmosphere from the early days of our planet to the present day.